Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a thoughtful, stylish and super functional bag that's perfect for your everyday adventures, the Timbuk2 Vapor Crossbody Bag. Now if you're on the lookout for a bag that combines practicality with modern edge, then stick around because this might be your new go-to. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Ori Bags, and on this channel, we are all about product videos and tips to help you carry better. So Timbuk2 sent us this bag for about a month ago, and I've been testing it for about 2 weeks now. And man, this bag is so practical and thoughtful. It's fast becoming one of my go-to bags whenever I'm on the move at work, doing everyday stuff, and even on trips. Alright, so let's check out the overall design of the bag. This is a 3-liter bag, which is decent for a crossbody bag. And if you've been around enough bags, right, you come to realize that not all bags and their so-called capacities are created equal. Now, this is usually due to the way the bags are designed. So although this is a 3-liter bag and it might sound small, but don't be fooled, this bag is surprisingly spacious. This bag is constructed with eco-friendly yarns and recycled nylon fiber. Now it feels so much better, right, when you know that your bag is made from environmentally friendly materials and hopefully with minimal carbon footprint as well. And because it's made from nylon, this bag is also really lightweight. It weighs only 0.59 pounds, which is about 260 grams. Oh, and did I also mention that it is water resistant as well? There are 3 ways of carrying this bag. You can sling it crossbody, you can wear it close to your body or sling it loosely. It works well even with a jacket or a suit on. Even if you're really tall or have a large frame, don't worry. The maximum length of this strap is over 50 inches. You can also carry it over your shoulders too. And just in case you're wondering, nope, this bag does not go around the waist. Alright, so now it's time to check out the features of this bag. Now let's start with the front over here. Just like all Timbuk2 bags, you'll find a branded loop up front over here that's great for carabiners or a bike light. And over on this section right here, we have a small front compartment that comes with a key clip. Nice long strap with a key clip. Now in case you're wondering, the hardware on the key clip is made from metal. This space over here, this is a great space for smaller items, and I have been carrying my car keys and my pocket knife over in this section, and I really love that it's not one of those tight-fitting spaces that makes storage and access difficult. This area is just so spacious and very roomy. So let's move on to the next compartment, which is this one right here. Okay, so this is a larger zipper compartment, also up front. Now this compartment is so useful. While I was testing it, I actually kept my A6 memo bottle in here and it was perfect. I love that I did not have to squeeze in my memo bottle into the same space that I will keep my phone and my wallet. And next, you have a hidden, soft-lined slip pocket with a magnetic closure for smaller items, or it's easy, fast access for your smartphones. This is how Timbuk2 has designed this compartment. So after testing it for 2 weeks, this here I find is a great place for really quick access items, things you need to reach into all the time, like my sunglasses. But unfortunately, there is one drawback here, okay? So see, although Timbuk2 had designed this place as a quick access pocket for your smartphone, unfortunately, my iPhone 13 Pro Max does not fit in this compartment properly. So let me just demonstrate to you. So you see, it doesn't really quite fit in all the way, so it sticks out just a little bit, you know. But I guess smartphones are just getting bigger and bigger each year, and maybe it's not a very big problem to some people since it's supposed to be quick access. But anyway, to the guys at Timbuk2, here's something for you to take note on in your next update of this bag. And finally, we come to the main compartment. We've got a nice big space over here. Check out how roomy it is. And I really love that this bag has height. And I've been around many sling bags, and to be honest, those sling bags that have just the right amount of height offer better storage experience, in my opinion. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what this space is like in here, so I'm going to show you with my A5 notebook, and let's go, check it out. Alright, so it fits perfectly in this bag, inside this main space. It's almost like it was designed around an A5 sized notebook. So as you can clearly see, this compartment is surprisingly spacious, very roomy, and there's even another zipper pocket on the inside. How great is that? Pockets galore. And this area is really great for AirPods or other really small items that you don't want to go missing inside your bag. And truly, one of the reasons why I found this bag so practical and so useful is because of the compartments, the pocketing, the way everything is designed, and the overall size of it. See, I need to create content everywhere I go, and most of the time I carry a mini tripod or a selfie stick with me, and it needs to fit into my bag, whatever it may be. And see how perfectly it fits in this bag. And another point is, I'm also a thirsty camel. I need water with me wherever I go. So the fact that my Mammal Bottle A6 can actually fit in this bag without obstruction is a win for me. Check this out. And finally, let's move on to the straps. Guys, these straps are great. You can easily adjust and customize the fit for comfort, whether you're wearing it over your shoulder or crossbody. These straps are also broad, so it makes it really comfortable and it won't dig into your shoulders even when the bag is packed with all your essentials. And another great thing about the straps, which I mentioned earlier in this video, is the overall length of it. So when fully extended, this strap is around 54 inches, give or take, okay, just a rough measurement, allowing more people with different heights and different body frames to enjoy this bag. And that's all you need to know about the Timbuk2 Vapor Crossbody Bag. Now this bag offers both style and functionality. It's compact yet surprisingly spacious, making it the perfect everyday companion. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think of this product in the comments section below. Now if you're interested to see more videos on Timbuk2 products, then be sure you head on to our channel and check out the playlist. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!